Welcome to Global Light Path. I am Rashad Mahmood. Topic is challenges to global community growth. For any community to grow, they need to provide right education for their children. But it looks like global world is moving towards zero child policy, which is totally against humanity. And it is global economic terrorism to kill humanity. Look at how food prices are skyrocketing, as well as education costs and housing costs. One might need to take photos of the foods as a souvenir for future due to possible disappearance of some foods. Every sincere parents wants their children to be like a superstar, which needs the right education. Many professional studies are extremely expensive and some are super most expensive, especially for studying overseas, which many parents cannot afford even for one child. But if someone have clear hope to get approval of loan for studies from bank, but later denied, if they could have got clear answer earlier from the bank refusal a year ago or so, then for sure they might not have sent their children at the first place. This is just an example, but there might be many students who are extremely deep trouble, even in North America, who needs lots of help. But what about rest of the world? Many parents cannot afford even for their one child, which looks like we are living in a global world which is moving towards zero child policy, which is totally against humanity. Global world needs an immediate global revolution for all students to get interest-free loan for their studies, at least if they cannot provide absolutely free education. It's time now to open our eyes and correct global system in which all, including rich and poor, can live safe and sound and can educate their children. One only true love with humanity can save global world. We must join together to fight against global poverty and global famine. Plant trees and vegetables in your backyards, on the side of streets and parks, wherever it is possible and permissible by your government. If you get more fruits and vegetables than what you need, then share it with others, your neighbors, your friends, relatives, and support those programs from depth of your heart to fix global system in which is hurting all. I have not seen a single business person doing very good business without any single customer. Customers are human. A single machine may replace 1,000 humans, but not a single human can ever replace a single machine. We invite you all for fixing global system to save humanity. Thank you.